Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all the yummy tips about how to get the most crispy and delicious french fries ever. So I have seasoned my chicken leg already, and this is me just resting this aside to soak in all that delicious seasoning, because of course french fries go with some chicken leg. So I'm just going to let this soak in that seasoning. So you want to start by picking out the freshest potatoes you can lay your hands on. Once that is done, you want to go ahead to wash and slice up your potatoes. Now you want to ensure that you chop your potatoes into real similar sizes. You don't want some too big or some too small. You want to try to get a good average size on all your potatoes, okay? I'm just going to go ahead to slice up my potatoes beautifully. Once I'm done chopping it up, I'm going to give my potatoes a good ice bath. So you want to soak your potatoes right away once you're done slicing for best results. Giving your potatoes an ice bath is not only going to take out all the excess starch from your potatoes, it's also going to enable you end up with the most crispy french fries ever. So you want to seal this up nicely in the plastic wrap and just let it sit for about 30 minutes or so, and let that ice bath just work its magic. So while that's resting away, I'm just going to mix up all my seasoning for this french fries in the bowl and get this ready to season immediately it comes off the ice bath. So this is me putting everything together. I'm going to list all the ingredients down in the description box. Be sure to check it out. Now the secret spice here is cornstarch, and that is what is going to add into the crispiness of my french fries. Yes guys, you want to use some cornstarch to season your potatoes, and this is just going to work like magic. Now once you take off your potatoes from the ice bath, make sure you pat down like this using a kitchen towel. This is just going to help you dry out your potato slices and reduce any moisture in there. And this is really vital to get that real nice crispy french fries at the end. Once you're happy with your potatoes, it's time to soak in that seasoning. Be sure to mix everything up so it combines beautifully. Now ensure that you don't let your potatoes sit once you've marinated them. You're not letting your potatoes sit after you marinate or after you season them. It's going straight into the air fryer. Once I'm done seasoning, I'm just dumping them on my parchment paper inside my air fryer basket. And guys, you want to just spread it out nicely into a single layer to make sure that it cooks beautifully. So once I'm done, I'm just going to let this cook at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. This is me checking in at 8 minutes. I give it a good shake, spread it out, and put it back into my air fryer. This is me going again at about 15 minutes, just checking everything just to make sure that everything is cooking beautifully. I give it a good shake and I just let it continue to crisp away. So you basically just have to keep checking on your french fries like every 5 minutes or so, and each time you go in, you want to ensure that you give it a nice shake so that it's cooking all around, and you just want to make sure that it's well spaced out and you layer it out. So at about 18 minutes after giving it a good shake, I added in my chicken leg, and yes, this is going to cook beautifully together. Once it's as golden brown as you like it to be, it's good to go. This is totally up to you. It may take up to 25 minutes for some people or up to 30 minutes. It just depends on the intensity of the air fryer you are using. So this is what I had. It's so yummy. This is how I served my yummy, delicious, crispy French fries, and trust me, this was so tasty. I totally enjoyed myself on this one. This was so good. I'm definitely making this soon. My kids loved this French fries. They were so crunchy, they were so nice, but yet so soft inside. These French fries are so crispy. They're so yummy. The taste are amazing. Guys, I cannot wait to dive into this. You can see how delicious this looks. It is ready. These are actually the most crispy potato chips I've ever had. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. I hope you try this out. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Stay tuned, guys. Bye.